Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to remove background from images in Adobe Photoshop. Let's start. To begin, open your image in Adobe Photoshop, and once it's open, all you have to do is click on the image layer, and then there's an option here for you to click. So we will click that one. It's the remove background. So all you have to do is click it. And then it will automatically remove your image background. So if you want to drag this picture, you want to drag the subject now, you can easily copy it or drag it and to anywhere you want. And that's it. Now you know how to easily remove backgrounds from images in Adobe Photoshop. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching this tutorial on how to remove backgrounds from images in Adobe Photoshop. See you in my next video.